This is Hot Springs Road in Alpine County. This is the Laramie Street beginning of the project near Markleyville, and we're going on Hot Springs Road. Alpine County has 1,100 people approximately. 96% of the county is government owned, 92% is federally owned, mostly Forest Service. Hot Springs Road provides access to Humboldt-Toyabe National Forest, and we're going across some sections of the road that need to be reconstructed. Traveling about 35 miles an hour. The reconstruction of the road would be on the same alignment as the existing road. The PCI asphalt index is 26. Hot Springs Road provides access to Grover Hot Springs State Park. They had 83,000 paid visitors at the state park last fiscal year. The state park ranger estimates that 70 to 80% of the visitors are on trails that start at the state park lands but go on to the Humboldt-Toyabe National Forest. So that's about on the 1.6 miles of the road of Hot Springs Road is on Humboldt-Toyabe National Forest. And there's, of the 1.6 miles, there's dispersed camping, and there's day use access to the river and to the Charity Valley Burnside Lake trailhead. And here's the beginning of the Toyabe National Forest lands right here. This is a bicycle route on the part of the county's bicycle master plan. Sections of road that are starting to fail. This is Alpine County #1 road as a tourist destination, and 90% of Alpine County's economy is dependent on tourism. As you can see, there's no shoulders, and there's need for drainage improvements along the edge of the road. The current road is 12-foot wide lanes, and the proposed reconstruction would have 11-foot wide lanes with 5-foot paved shoulders, and that's primarily for a Class 2 bicycle lane that would provide safety for bicyclists as well as pedestrians and for the motorists too. this is the Charity Valley Burnside Lake trailhead right over here. And there's the beginning of the trail. There's the trailhead and parking area right over here. And there's bicycle route sign. And now we're coming up to the bridge that crosses Hot Springs Creek. And this bridge is going to be replaced. It's a county project with Highway Bridge Program funds, and it's scheduled for replacement in 2019 and 2020. It's going to take 2 years. The environmental is done on that project and currently in right-of-way certification and final design for that project. Alpine County currently is doing the environmental documentation on the Hot Springs Road project, and that's scheduled for completion with NEPA and CEQA approvals around July 2018. There's already been several public meetings regarding this project, including the proposed improvements and with the bicycle shoulder widening. And it looks like we're following one of the state park ranger vehicles up to the end of the project. And this is at Grover Hot Springs State Park. And there's the campgrounds right over there. And a lot of people come up to this point to get onto the Humboldt-Toyabe National Forest trails because it gets them up a little further on the trail to start with. And this is the end of the project.